What's going on, guys? It's Swiftblader here, and today I have an unboxing of Earth Aquila 145 WD. I will also be having a unboxing of Chrysignis. This is a Beyblade I've been wanting for a long time. I have 3 Hasbro versions, including the Metal Wing Smash, but Earth Eagles or Aquila has always been my favorite Bey, so yeah, let's get started. Here's the back of the box. You can pause if you want to see the stats. Shows it hitting Dark Bull. It is a balance type. I've always considered it more of a stamina. There's Subasa, my favorite character. I bought this from a seller called Fun Toys World out of China. Usually buy from Buzz Toy, but this guy has really good prices. So here's the stickers, the track and tip, the rip cord. Surprisingly, out of all the Takara Tomy Beys I have, this will be my first Light Launcher 1. Because I didn't start buying Takara Tomy Beys until the 4D system was out. These I was always sticking with Hasbro. And this will have no cuts because I don't have any editing software. Sorry about the bad lighting too. Here is the Bey. Very pretty. The tattooed face. Light Launcher 1, official Takara Tomy. Alright, here's the 145 spin track and wide defense tip. The ripcord. Takara Tomy's were always longer than the Hasbro ones. Just these instructions telling you about Earth Eagle and stuff. Here's the stickers. I'm not going to put the facepull sticker on, and I'll probably just put the other stickers on at the end off camera so I don't mess up. Alright, here's Earth Aquila. I do have an Aquila clear wheel I got from my friend a long time ago. But yeah. Alright, so that's the Beyblade. I hope you enjoyed. I guess I can do a test spin really quick. If you guys want to see that. Gotta clear other Beyblades off the stadium. Look at it go. It is so pretty. Alright, so that is Earth Aquila 145 WD. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. And thank you guys.